Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your smart TV to a wireless speaker. So over here I have a smart TV, while this side I have a wireless LG speaker. So I'm about to connect this smart TV to the wireless speaker so that the volume is going to come from the wireless speaker instead of the TV. So in this method, what you just have to do, you come over to the menu of the TV, then come over here to settings. When you come over to settings, you come here to settings. Now note that this procedure might vary from according to the TV brand. So but just have to navigate to somewhere that says about the sound. So sound, then here you come over here that says speaker out, sound out, sorry. So on the sound out, it is currently on the TV speaker, but we want to connect it to a wireless speaker. So come over to this third option that says use wireless speaker. Then since it's a Bluetooth device, you come over to this Bluetooth device here that says Bluetooth device, click on it. Now we have to scan, we have to wait for the TV to scan. You see it is scanning, it has to scan for the Bluetooth speaker. So wait for some time, wait for it to scan. So wait a bit. So let's search. Since it's not coming, let's search. So it has come on. You see the speaker is LG RL3, and over here you can see that the speaker's name is LG RL3. So what you just do, you just come over here and click on the device, then it's connecting. Wait for it to connect. So it shows the message LG RL3 that it is connected. So we go back. So you can see that already it's showing that it's indicating now that the Bluetooth device is connected. Now it is showing green. So go back. So go back. And now let me increase the volume from the speaker. So you can see that the volume is no more coming from the television, but instead it's coming from the speaker.
There when the story breaks. BBC News.
So for confirmation,
what new industries are created? Because what we've seen throughout history is new industries are created.
Your speakers, Bluetooth speakers, speeds for different brands. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel so I can keep making more wonderful videos for you. Thank you.